This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and mounting. This is critical. Once batteries are good, attach the night vision module to your helmet or rail and tighten fasteners so it won't shift. Next, power it on in a shaded spot to avoid sensor overload. The image intensifier needs a few seconds to stabilize. Make sure IR illuminator, if present, is off initially. That prevents blooming of close targets. This sequence gets you usable output quickly and protects the tube from sudden light spikes. Once done with basic power-up, focus and alignment are next. You should adjust the diopter and ocular focus to match your dominant eye so targets are crisp. Take a moment to verify both eyes are comfortable. Then set gain or brightness at a moderate level. Too high adds grain and flares. Make sure the unit is bore-sighted with your firearm or camera by aligning with visible reference points at a known distance. This ensures hits land where you expect. Finish by moving into the operational area and managing illumination. You should use the IR illuminator sparingly. Start low and increase only if the scene lacks contrast, because close reflections can wash out the picture. If the image suddenly dims or blacks out, immediately cycle power and check for bright ambient lights nearby, which can trigger auto-protection. If you see spots or fogging, clean the lens gently and allow the tube to acclimate. This preserves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.